You want to stay so?
No.
Yeah. Stay so, Granny.
No, sir. No, sir. Man. Me a grow me in a style.
Come back again with the style argument.
I like when you come on.
When it come on, like a tear out.
Comb it. At least I prepare to learn, you hear?
My grandmother want me to comb her hair before I go. If me not comb her hair, she'll go get mad. But she's crying because I'm leaving.
Mommy, I go with you.
Go where?
Airport.
No, she cried too much.
Eh?
She's gonna cry. I don't want nobody come make me feel sad.
And we ain't gonna go.
Yes. So I'm leaving today. But my grandma wants me to comb her hair for the last time while I'm here.
You know, come back and see me.
Why?
When you come every year, when you pass that, but you're not going to see me back.
Me not go see you?
You're not going to see me back now when you pass off your year.
No, you're not pass away, Granny. You understand? You go see you, you go live long. You see? Now God bless. When you God bless you, you live long. You understand? You don't do bad. So as long as you don't do bad. But no. Granny, stop tear out of here.
It's a whole up your time.
No, hold up my time. I have enough time.
You know, water down on your, drinking water down on your yard?
Yeah.
People, Granny have water problems. Steve normally catch water for her.
Eh?
Yeah, you want we care. Me ask Carl for care up. Yeah. Carl can carry down but one. Then me a drinking water.
You can't carry down the bucket, eh?
It a go splash up, you have to give you one of them.
One of them? Yeah.
And then carry it up back.
Pure ice water, my feet pan and Campbell water and stuff. And Malta game.
At this point, I was very emotional, guys. I was looking at my grandma husband. And to be honest with you, this video is too emotional. I did not post everything. I have to edit, cut, paste. Guys, please keep Mas Nathan and my grandma in prayer.
I like when you come out.
When it come out, like a tear out.
Comb it.
No, me not tear it out, Granny. You want to rough up?
Here.
Okay, make me comb it out and then massage it also.
At least I prepare to learn, you hear?
One now.
Things that face me.
What face you? Talk.
The amount of something that face me. Help me now, look. This man.
It's okay. So while I'm in Jamaica, this is my last day until I come back again. So my granny want me rough up
And no
her hair.
time. I look, I could years where you're going.
Yeah. But through COVID, me never come.
Yeah.
But you want the plot or cane?
No can woman. Can take too much time.
But you want the plot?
That put Vaseline in it?
We'll come it out first.
I lean on there.
I'm gonna work.
You sweat not up?
Yeah, cool it.
Dwayne ain't gone to school?
Who?
Teach son.
Carl?
No, Dwayne.
The little boy? Queen.
When
You
they?
gone up by mommy.
Say hi.
It's okay, Granny.
I know things face me.
Talk up with things. Listen. You want to stay, sir?
No.
Yeah. Stay, sir, Granny.
No, sir, man. Plot, yeah.
Granny said, no. Me I gonna make your ears stay, sir, Granny. No.
But me I grow me in a style.
Come back again with the style.
Oh, Lord,
You know, in a style. Simple style, yeah, you know.
Let me say if everybody come together, it be the better.
Guys, I cannot post everything because this is a family matter.
You do your time, Granny, you know. You help. When you do art, you wash. For everybody. You hear the cock crow? So nice. You wash for everybody, you look after everybody. No, you need help. Nobody. So you want to plot.
You tell you one later? Yeah? No, yeah.
Squeeze up your finger.
I can't my finger then.
I'm going to try keep in mind active.
I love my family and I just want everybody to live in love, peace and unity. Let us all come together and make sure Granny live happy in her last
You want
days.
sleep now when you're not playing, you sleep same way?
The bathroom, then give you food for eat.
You don't feel different when you're up in the air.
You feel alright, Granny. You don't really feel no different. You just know, say.
First time when I airport when my sister come down was nice. Me not like this time now when you can't see nobody again.
No.
You go straight.
Oh, why you never try go foreign?
If you go, me not neglectful, me neglectful. Me neglectful, you know. Cause one time one white man stopped there upon road there and car. Then bush and me call for one man and free man and me follow and go about. Me nah no picnic that time. And that time me and the man stopped the car and reverse and say, Miss, come here. And me got him say, you would like to go to foreign? I love you, I would take you up and carry you to my wife and make you stay up there. And you have family out here, me think me have somebody. I say, alright, that's your luck. And enjoy it.
What you say?
That's your luck.
Oh, you remember what you said to you?
Oh my, that's your luck. That's the word in you. That's your luck.
So you would have did a foreign and we would have gone. When I hear that, Granny get opportunity to go away and she didn't take it. So you would have day here because she would have no mother.
So, when sister Delta go, my sister go with her foreign, plane, shipping up on, you know. At time they were 15 rumble lane at home. And we have big party the night, drunk up himself. And I think say you know fi drunk man, normal. Because you go travel. In drinking and drink hard till the man you know wake up soon and be up and get to a cup of tea, a pure coffee, then drink you know white rum and cigarette. And me be up and me go with her. When we got the gate now, number 2 pier of the ship park, walk the truck. And the gate, big gate and the man. When they got it gate now, they want they take out some papers, they hand them. The plate, left the wallet with it in the yard. In the jug, same way. He said, sister, me and my king. The passport, the something left. You will find, I think I never got all the time. He said, you can't find the go feed. Me say, yes. And me go right in and take it up. And when they come at the gate and open the gate, and she had drawn me inside. So they come in, sister, me come.
And you know go?
Yeah, now the ship my draw me to Kevin Pan, but Mr. They not go because they might go. And she said to me, say, if you did come, you have clothes in, I could have put on for you. Same time. And I said, that's right.
So you did pick up on the ship and you know go, Granny?
I called me in to come. I said, no, sir. I'll get so high. Food I know make sure. This is like all my word. Food I know my words, you know.
You just need some help, Granny.
We pay help me, you know, and wash.
Auntie really help.
But this step money, you come down and to buy for use for him. God,
Pound it.
keep spend money, you know. I want to send money, the money spend, you know. So I have to buy for the load at least. What do you say then? I go buy up them and over there.
Granny.
Car drive and park up a cemetery.
And then you go pick this up and then walk up.
And you carry them out.
So you would have like piece of yam and banana and something. You can't get them, yeah? Then can't carry nobody, can't carry them come down, no?
No.
Yeah.
If everybody just come together.
My grandma is crying for everybody to come together and just help her.
Everybody just come. The one that come today, you do look at something. And I say,
Now one person not come all the time.
no, you come now, you come today. You no must come tomorrow. Because remember, me not sit down can't myself, right?
Yeah.
They can wash piece of clothes, they can cook piece of food and then something there. And me get water. Sometimes I want something I shop, me go with the people that call so I not go up on the road.
But you figure because nobody know they figure for you.
Remember when me not did cherry at the pipe, the morning, and we want jean something, we go with the strap up, a tiny bit. And he said to me, say, when the bathing done and put on my clothes and everything, say, Mama, me I gonna leave you now, you hear? Me not crying now. I want to use that word, they say, Mama, I'm gonna leave you now, you hear? And kiss me, me both out and cry.
Oh. She have one nice little baby now.
Boy, it now come out.
Oh.
The
little boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, they might try come because Sherry Gaze wants to see Charlie.
Eh?
She gonna try come.
Yeah.
See if she can catch you now. Because it's not nice. Jenny, grandma wants to see you. Tell her. Tell her you want to see her because I'm going to show her this. Say, Jenny, Sherry Gay.
Come here, sit man.
Tell Sherry Gay you want to see her.
Who?
You can't talk. Tell her you want to see her.
Cherry Gay. It's not here, eh?
No, talk. Her record, she go watch it. Talk what you want to say to her.
Cherry Gay, I long to see you. I remember what you did say on the veranda. I love saltfish and dumpling and ackee.
That's what she said?
When am I love saltfish and dumpling and ackee.
Oh, when he little.
And he said, would you like to have some drinks? He said, yes, thanks. And he go show some drinks and Karen and said, take it here. A piece of cake too. Why would banana family can?
Sometimes strangers better than family, grandma. If a stranger, sometimes they treat you better. Sometimes. And it's not all families.
I say when the hand broke, you know, boy, me I tell you.
They can help.
Oh, The name is Purple Pen, man. I'm at the dentist my phone, you know. I take my phone and mash up the radio. And take the phone and call Purple Pen. And Miss Purple come and Miss Purple say, me, oh, you not manage make your hand broke. Eh? Oh, you not manage me.
Oh, your hand broke.
Me have a stand there, I sit down on the veranda at night time. And the light on. So me have to sit down and I watch the kick the Buddha on my fly and the light I go up and come out. So every night, sometimes 7 o'clock, me sit down out there, me one. And yet another say, me miss come in now, me say me soon come. That night, boy, me no know. Better name call me. He said, Mavis, you not come in. Me say, yes, I come here, come now. Get up now. Quick go come in. Me drop. Me fall on and drop on the hand. And me call out Saint and he said, Nathan, come. Me fall on, you know. And him taga put me on the step. And he said, things like, carry some water, come give me now. And me drink the water. And me put me on there and start swell so. And I call Purple. And Purple come up to the man and said to me, say, how you not manage me? And I say, I don't know Miss Purple, but it just broke. And same time I call out there. And tip them come to me.
Who come?
Same time the car and something
Oh,
come to me.
that's your girl.
Yeah. You understand? And I 7 weeks me do a it. You know, make me hungry.
7 weeks and then come help you?
Oh,
At it alone does help you? When you're on broke?
think now we tell you, Eileen and Pete. We said it did me already in one hand.
Oh, God bless you.
And me ball.
Your ball?
Steve, they come down our house to come look for her. Steve no leave her out at all.
Need to hurry up because cause.
Yes, call soon come. I'm most tired.
Oh,
Call. We need to carry them down there.
yeah, my work.
Let that not leave. I mean, no, we do it. That all you need down when you how do it.
That's true.
Left that man in the 5 years. I don't want to call come now this bars.
Granny said this Barris and I laugh.
Oh, now got it.
What you have to do?
Rice? No, tired of rice.
Tired of rice?
Granny said she tired of rice. Now Granny have her 12-acre land between she and her husband where she used to plant food and come and market on Friday for sell. And Saturday, she would have like some of them food. You understand? Some ground provision. So people, anytime when you go on Granny land and if you no pick nothing, please carry something come give to her and her husband. And them food that them used to. You understand? They not used to rice. Another thing is, if there's no ground provision on the land for Granny to eat, whatever is planting on the land and it sell, or whatever people pick and sell, you can use some of the money and buy ground provision for her then.
That corner?
You want to come more?
Corner?
Come more, really.
Need help, man. I need help. This is when me the put no problem.
No, you can't hardly walk. You in a pain also. And to really wash for you.
Yeah, you feel a manager?